LLM stands for Large Language Model. Let's take it word by word. Language. It works with text and often code too. Model. It's a mathematical system that learns patterns. Think of a model car, a smaller, simpler version of the real thing. It looks right and it's useful, but it isn't the real car. An LLM is a simplified version of human language. And large? That just means it's huge. Trained on enormous amounts of text, with billions of internal settings called parameters. Here's the heart of it. At its core, an LLM does one thing over and over. It predicts the next word. Give it, "the cat sat on the," and it calculates the odds for every possible next word. Mat, very likely. Floor, possible. Moon, almost never. It picks a likely word, adds it, then predicts the next one, and the next, until a full answer is built. That's it. Whole essays, emails, and explanations are produced one word at a time by guessing what fits best. So how does it know what's likely? Through training. The model is shown a staggering amount of text, books, websites, articles, code, and it plays a giant fill-in-the-blank game billions of times. Nobody handwrites grammar rules for it. By trying to predict missing words again and again, it slowly absorbs grammar, facts, writing styles, and patterns in how people communicate. But predicting words well needs context. Early systems only looked at the last word or two. Modern LLMs use an architecture called a transformer, with a trick called attention. Attention lets the model look at the whole input at once, and focus on the words that matter most. That's how it figures out what "it" refers to, or how the end of a paragraph connects back to the beginning. Context is what makes the output feel coherent. A model that only predicts text isn't automatically helpful. So after training, it's fine-tuned, adjusted with examples, and with human feedback that rewards answers people find clear, useful, and safe. This step is why a chatbot answers you instead of just continuing your sentence. It's still predicting words, but now it's predicting the words of a helpful reply. This simple mechanism turns out to be powerful, because language touches almost everything. One model can write and summarize, translate between languages, answer questions, explain ideas, and help write code. The big shift: one general tool, many tasks, instead of a separate program for each one. Now the honest part, the limits. It doesn't truly understand or have intentions. It matches patterns. It can hallucinate, state false things that sound completely convincing, including fake sources. It doesn't know today's news, only what was in its training data. It has no real memory. The conversation is replayed to it each time, and old parts get forgotten. It can repeat biases from its training data, and it struggles with deep, multi-step reasoning. Powerful, but not a flawless oracle. So what is an LLM really? Not a magic brain. It's a word prediction engine, trained on huge amounts of text and tuned to be helpful. It becomes genuinely valuable when you give it clear instructions, good context, and check its work. That's an LLM in plain words. In the next episode, we'll zoom into the smallest piece of this whole system, the token. See you there!